saltwater crocodiles lurking around nearby that reportedly kill between 1 and 2 people a year. These predators are fast and agile and can drag a person deep into the swamps. Then there are the stinging trees, which visitors need to be careful of because just accidentally brushing up against one of these big trees can cause prickly shards to get embedded in your flesh. And sometimes they will itch and sting for months at a time. But wait, because there's one more danger at Cape Tribulation. At night, there are wild boars roaming around with huge tusks and bad attitudes that can kill a person if they get a hold of them.